Welcome to CircuitPeek, where we curate the upgrades that actually move the needle. If your phone life is a mix of dead battery, messy cables, and shaky setups, I've got you. Hit subscribe for weekly phone accessories and click the description links to upgrade your setup today. We're finishing with a bounce bonus item that keeps your screen spotless. Peek into what's next. On travel days, I used to carry a charger for every device and still run low. The Anker Prime Charger 160 watts 3-port compact USB-C GAN changes that routine fast. It pushes serious power for a laptop while still feeding a phone and tablet. The smart display shows real-time output, so you stop guessing. Touch controls let you switch modes without unplugging everything. One compact brick replaces the whole pouch of chargers and cables. Wireless charging is nice until you're juggling a phone, a watch puck, and a loose cable. The Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charging station, QI2, cleans that up. Your iPhone snaps into place for fast magnetic charging, and it looks intentional on a desk. Your Apple Watch gets a dedicated spot, not a dangling add-on. AirPods stop drifting around your workspace. One dock, 3 devices, and your nightstand finally feels organized. Here's the quiet problem. Most USB-C cables look identical, but behave wildly. I switched to the Cable Matters USBF certified 240-watt USB-C cable, and the nonsense stopped. It's built for high-power USB PD charging, so your laptop doesn't negotiate mid-session. The eMarker chip keeps power delivery safe and consistent. No video tricks, just dependable charging and basic data. One trustworthy cable beats 5 mystery cords every time. Fast wireless docks are great until heat slows everything down. That's why the Belkin 3-in-1 QI 2.2 25-watt charging station with a cooling fan stands out. You get quick magnetic alignment, plus active cooling that helps maintain speed during longer charges. Charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods together without the clutter spiral. The fan control matters when you want quiet nights. It feels like a premium desktop upgrade, not a plastic compromise. Most cases protect your phone, but they don't help you use it better. The TORRAS 360 magnetic stand case does both, and it's addictive. That click when the stand locks feels precise and secure. Go vertical for calls, horizontal for videos, or tilt it for recipes and quick shots. The magnetic strength keeps it steady on car mounts, even over potholes. You keep strong protection, but your hands get freedom back instantly. Screen protectors usually fail in one place, the install. One speck of dust, one crooked edge, and you're redoing it. The amFilm OneTouch screen protector for iPhone 17 Pro makes that frustration disappear. The auto alignment kit drops the glass dead center, fast. You keep crisp clarity and smooth touch response with tough 9H protection. The camera lens protectors add extra peace of mind. It turns screen anxiety into screen confidence again. If you watch, scroll, or game in bed, you know the wrist fatigue is real. The LISEN Gooseneck Phone Holder flips your setup into hands-free mode. Clamp it to a desk, headboard, or side table, then float your phone exactly where you want it. The tension adjustments keep it stable so it doesn't sag mid-episode. Cable management helps you stop wrapping cords around whatever is nearby. Comfort plus stability, night after night. Quick reset: if any of these phone gadgets are solving your daily annoyances, hit like, Drop a comment with your favorite so far and subscribe. Your feedback tells me what to test next, and it helps CircuitPeek keep finding the good stuff. All right, back to the list. In the car, weak magnets mean your phone falls the moment the road gets honest. The ESR OmniLock QI 2.2 25-watt MagSafe car mount charger fixes that with real grip and real charging. It locks onto the vent with a reinforced hook, then holds your phone with a strong magnetic connection. Cooling helps keep charging performance steady on longer drives. The rotation makes GPS and calls effortless to position. You stop fighting your mount and start trusting it. Ever recorded a perfect moment, then heard your audio back and winced? The BOYA Mini 2 wireless lavalier microphone is the quick rescue. AI noise cancellation helps clean up messy environments, and app control makes adjustments simple. The limiter and safety track protect you from sudden loud spikes. It's tiny on your shirt, but the clarity shows up immediately. It's an instant, creator-ready upgrade for vlogs, calls, and quick interviews. Lighting is the silent difference between scroll past and stop and watch. The UBeesize Selfie Light with 80 LEDs makes good lighting portable. Clip it to your phone or laptop, then choose warm or cool modes to match the room. 10 brightness levels let you soften the look without blasting your eyes. Rechargeable power keeps it ready for travel, meetings, and late-night filming. It's small, but your video looks cleaner immediately. Touch controls are fine, until the game gets serious. The GameSir X5 Lite mobile gaming controller makes your phone feel like a real console. Hall effect sticks stay accurate, and the USB-C connection keeps inputs responsive. It works for cloud and remote play setups, so your library feels bigger. Pass-through charging matters when sessions run long. Your hands relax, your aim improves, and you stop blaming the screen for every loss. A hub sounds boring, but running out of ports mid-task is chaos. The Anker 555 USB-C hub, 8-in-1, is the Fix It Now tool. HDMI gets you a clean display, Ethernet helps stability, and SD slots make media transfers painless. Pass-through power keeps your laptop charging while you expand. Fast data ports keep large files moving, not stalling. One USB-C port turns into a workstation in seconds. Storage fills up quietly. Then suddenly, your phone won't save one more clip. The Samsung T9 portable SSD 2 terabytes is how you stay ahead of that moment. It moves files quickly, and the thermal design helps it stay controlled during heavy transfers. Use it for editing workflows, gaming libraries, or quick backups before a trip. It plays well across different devices and setups. When storage full disappears, your creativity moves faster. Misplacing essentials is expensive in time, stress, and pure annoyance. The eufy Security SmartTrack Link taps into Apple Find My for a simple safety net. Attach it to keys, luggage, or earbuds, then track it using the network you already use. Left Behind alerts can stop the mistake before it happens. And the Find Your Phone ring helps even when your phone is silent. It's tiny insurance for your daily routine. Cables, chargers, adapters. Travel turns them into a tangled knot fast. The BAGSMART Electronics Organizer travel case fixes the mess with structure. Everything gets a dedicated pocket, so you pack once and find items instantly. The padded, water-resistant build adds protection in a backpack or carry-on. Smooth zippers matter when you're moving quickly through a hotel or airport. You open it and look organized, even if your schedule isn't. Here's the bounce bonus item to finish strong. Whoosh! Screen Shine Go XL with the microfiber cloth. It's alcohol and ammonia-free, so it stays gentle on coated screens. One spray, one wipe, and fingerprints disappear without streaks. That clean glass look is ridiculously satisfying. It also works on laptops, car displays, and glasses, so it earns its space in your bag. Your phone ends the video looking brand new. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment which accessory you'd actually use this week. Reminder, the description links support the channel. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Peek into what's next. Want to see more? Check out the video on the left, or check out the phone accessories